In the heart of every garden lies a story of growth, patience, and connection with the soil. Yet, for many new gardeners, that story begins with mistakes. Simple errors that can turn a promising garden into a patch of disappointment. Today, on Agriknowledge Hub, we uncover 9 common gardening mistakes beginners make, and how to avoid them. Because in the garden, knowledge truly is the most powerful fertilizer. Every successful garden begins not with the plant, but with the soil beneath it. Many beginners rush to plant seeds without testing or preparing their soil. But soil is alive, a bustling world of microorganisms, minerals and organic matter. Neglecting soil pH and structure can lead to stunted growth or nutrient lockout. The best approach? Test your soil using a simple pH kit or laboratory analysis. Then amend it accordingly. Add compost or manure to enrich organic matter. Use lime to raise pH in acidic soils. Add sulfur or peat to lower pH in overly alkaline soils. Healthy soil is the foundation of every thriving garden, whether you grow tomatoes, kale, or flowers. Sunlight, the silent force behind every leaf and bloom. One of the most common mistakes is placing plants in spots that don't match their light needs. Some plants, like peppers, tomatoes and cucumbers, crave full sun for at least 6 hours daily. Others, like spinach, lettuce and ferns, prefer partial shade. Understanding this difference can mean the line between lush, green growth and wilted disappointment. Water, the essence of life, yet also one of the greatest destroyers in the garden. Beginners often overcompensate, drowning roots in kindness. Overwatering suffocates roots, cutting off oxygen and causing rot. Underwatering, on the other hand, leaves plants gasping under the sun. The key lies in balance. Check soil moisture by feeling the top few inches. It should be moist, not soggy. Install a drip irrigation system for precision, or for organic growers, use mulch to retain moisture naturally. Nature abhors overcrowding. Yet many beginners plant too closely, forgetting that seedlings will grow and compete. Without proper spacing, air circulation drops, diseases spread, and nutrients run scarce. Follow seed packet guidelines or local extension advice for spacing. Remember, a few healthy plants often produce more than a crowded, struggling bed. Just as humans tire from repetition, so too does the soil. Planting the same crop in the same spot, season after season, depletes nutrients and invites recurring pests. Crop rotation, alternating plant families, restores balance. After heavy feeders like maize or cabbages, plant nitrogen fixers such as beans or peas. It's nature's way of renewing itself. Pests often move quietly, unnoticed until the damage is visible. Aphids, caterpillars and mites can devastate tender leaves overnight. The best gardeners are observant. Inspect plants weekly, especially the undersides of leaves. Use integrated pest management. Neem oil for organic control. Beneficial insects like ladybugs. And, if necessary, targeted chemical sprays used responsibly. The goal isn't to eliminate all pests, but to restore balance. Fertilizer is food for plants, but even food can become poison when overused. Many beginners pour on synthetic fertilizers, chasing faster growth. But too much nitrogen can burn roots and produce lush leaves with no fruits. The solution? Feed wisely. Use organic compost, vermicompost, or liquid seaweed for slow, balanced nutrition. Gardening is deeply local. What thrives in the Kenyan highlands may fail in the coastal heat. Beginners often plant without understanding their region's rainfall patterns, frost dates, or humidity levels. Always choose crops suited to your climate and season. Use local seed varieties. They are nature's adaptation to your land. And when in doubt, consult agricultural extension officers or local farmers. Perhaps the greatest mistake is believing that gardening ever stops teaching. Even the most experienced growers still experiment, observe and adapt. Join local gardening groups, watch reliable agricultural channels, and most importantly, learn from the land itself, for it speaks softly through every leaf, bud, and harvest. The garden rewards patience. It honors those who listen, who observe, and who nurture without haste. Avoid these 9 mistakes, and your garden will become more than just a space for plants. It will become a living classroom, a sanctuary, and a symbol of balance between human care and nature's rhythm.